Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. Ooh. Alright guys, so tonight's Vlogmas is going to be an evening with us. So I show you the light switches, yep. The pizza from Aldi, the gluten-free one. We talk about the Pop-Tarts and the, I showed you guys a label maker, which I think I am going to return because it didn't come with an adapter. That's another $10. And then it just came with a sample size of tape, and that tape is $16 to $30. So I'm like, that might be more of an investment than I was looking to make here. Okay. But anyways, follows along the night. And I hope you enjoy. Guys, the light switch saga is about to continue because I got the new light switches from Amazon. All right, I haven't opened the box. Let's see what we got here. I legit walked in there to get the box, got distracted to close the blinds, and then forgot why I went in there. All right, we're opening. We're opening her up. Okay. My little savage here. So let me tell you about this. I first saw these on Apple News, and you know they have those articles like 10 affordable ways to spruce up your house. So I was like, oh, okay, I'm into that. And this was one of the things, and it was obviously linked to Amazon. I think like everything on that article is linked to Amazon. I'm like, okay, Amazon marketing, I see you. You got me, so good job. But they are affordable, and basically I'll show you in the package, but it'll probably be easier if you saw it outside of the package. But it's kind of like this, is that like silver brass? Was that brass? I was like so excited to get them. I don't even know. Okay. Oh, satin nickel. And so they're all pretty affordable. But you know, it just adds up because you have so many of them. But I thought it was like kind of a boho antique type feel. So this is what it looks like. So I have some of my switches have the breaker thing, so they need this so that it fits, and the screws are on top. And I have some panels that are like this, and then I have actual outlet covers that I had purchased, light switch covers. So we went with a totally different tone than last time. Last time we were going with like rubbed bronze, and it was just too much of a contrast. So I'm gonna put a couple of those in and see. But I was going back and forth about, so I haven't showed you guys this yet. Okay, so Jared finished our pantry. There's just some touch-up paint that needs to be done. But the pantry itself is done, and then we need like a couple extra jars. So I was going between like buying pre-made labels for the jars or getting them made on Etsy. But ultimately, we'll see how I feel about it. I decided to get a label maker because I figured I could label everything in the house. And this one had the best reviews. I know you can buy a lot of tape, but I wasn't sure if this one actually came with tape. Oh yeah, I see some tape in there. Okay, so she's cute. I call this the original Cricut. Am I right? Am I right? So it only comes with one thing of tape. It's just a sample. Oh no. Well, you know, we'll play with it. I thought I probably should have ordered more, but I wonder how much is in the sample. We'll find out. But I'm real quick to return stuff that I don't love. So if I don't love that, we will send her back. But yeah, that's what we're up to. Let me show you the pantry over here. Okay, so if you go to our last Costco haul, you'll see what it looked like before. So basically, did not look like this. So there's an overview. Here's the situation. This was just open space, and we don't have a pantry in our kitchen. So I thought, why don't we hang shelves and make an open pantry? So that's what we did. And then Jared stained the wood and made the frame to go around it. And then we ended up just painting the actual shelf because I think it blends. Oops, Morty almost tripped me, or I almost tripped him, I don't know. But I think it blends in nicely having that wood painted the wall color and then this wood stained. We were thinking about maybe staining that, but I'm glad we didn't because I think it would have been really busy. So we have cookbooks up top, this Farmer's Fresh Market. This came from a local like home store. So inside of it is like a popcorn maker, some more cookbooks, and just odds and ends. Then we have a pitcher. We have our crock pot, which we need to replace. Some mixing bowls. Then we have our copperware pans, because this is like really the only place we have in our kitchen to put them. And I need to put a little mat down. I actually have a place mat that I'm going to sit so that bees aren't scraping the wood and we're not scraping the pans. Then we have a cast iron pot. And then this is some things I wanted to label. So this is baking goods. This is smoothie stuff with a random pre-workout thrown in there. This is not gonna stay here, but it's sitting here. I want to get more of these jars, and I tried to get more. They're always at Meijer. They are on Amazon as well, but they're like the most affordable jar. They're like $5, $5 to $6, and they're glass. I don't personally want to store all of my food in plastic, so that's why with the glass. And then these are just a more affordable option for glass. So I want to label these as well, but also get a couple more. I think 1, 2, 3, 4 more. And then these are all our Christmas ones. They're just sitting here because I don't know where else to put them. But these are our kitchen towels. Snacks are in there. Then we have our Instapot, which I was thinking, like, since there's a slow cooker on the Instapot, that maybe we don't actually need a new crock pot and we can just get rid of the other one. The other one, the insert is cracked and the pot itself is like 10 years old. So, okay. And then in the bottom, we have basically just cans in here. So I want to label the bins, I want to label the jars, and I want to be able to label them what I want and not just like get pre-made labels that might not be exactly what I want. But once we get the jar, I'm going to swing you over to our coffee bar here. So the smaller jars that were over there, I think I'm going to move them down here. But all these things need to go into jars that I don't own yet. So, and then there's our mugs. So that's kind of where we're at. Also, I don't know what this is. I'm going to see if it washes off. This is one of our Christmas mugs. And something got burnt or baked on. Oh, maybe it just needs to be washed. I don't know. That's super weird. Alright, so Morty and I are going to play with the light switch covers. And also, if you saw our Aldi haul, I'm going to make the gluten-free pizza as well. Jared will be here soon, so he'll make his when he gets home, or I'll make it for him. Doesn't matter. We'll do it when he gets home. But I'm hungry right now. Okay, this is what the other one looked like. And don't mind the dimmer. The switch thing on it broke off the cover. And we can't find a replacement that has the 2. We can find a replacement that has the 1, but not the 2. And then you have to replace the whole dimmer for like $20. And it happened on 2 of dimmers that we have like this, so Jared's just gonna make something to cover it. So ignore that part. But this is what the dark one looked like. And it was, I think it's just too much of a contrast against the white subway tile. But here is what the new ones look like. And I think it looks kind of nice. I'm gonna do this area and then like one in the hallway. And then when Jared gets home, I'll see how he feels about it. He was okay with this, but I just can't live with that. So, all right, I'll keep going. At least now we get a visual of what it looks like before we do all the screws, but I think it looks nice. Okay, so here's an overview of what they look like. And guys, look. Mrs. Myers. Snowdrop scent. Y'all. It's so good. It's so good. Look, I don't love this dish soap because I feel like you have to use so much of it and it goes so fast. But if you're looking for like a $4 holiday moment, she's your girl. Okay. All right. Aldi, how we doing? We got about a minute left. Ooh, okay. This looks good. It might look overdone to you guys, and maybe it is, but I hate when you cut a pizza and it's not cooked all the way. So I usually just take it home, you know? Y'all, the pups are happy.
Daddy's home.
Daddy's home.
Daddy's home.
Babe, tell them what you're working on over there.
I'm hanging the stockings. Up in here. Up in here.
We need to see, well, okay. So you know they have those stocking holders that are like heavy and you can just sit on the edge.
My mom's got some of those. Those are cool.
The thing is, they're expensive per one, but if you wait to the end of the season,
that's true. They're
never available. Like, they never hit clearance. Like, people buy them by that point.
Perpetually expensives.
So, we choose zip tie.
We went the zip tie route.
But I was telling Vlogmas that maybe you and I could do some pandemic safe activities this weekend, like cookies, go drive around the lights, that kind of thing.
I would love that. Meridian's looking pretty good.
Yeah, also the fairgrounds has that light thing too where you like turn the radio on and you drive through it. We'll have to see how much that is. I can't imagine it's that much. Also, maybe we could finish putting our Christmas away or up. Morty. Morty's always just busy. Oh, tell them what you think of the light switch covers. You like them or no?
Yeah, I do.
Or should we just get fancier white ones?
What was wrong with the other ones?
The dark ones?
Well,
too dark.
The original white ones.
Boring. That's what was wrong with them.
It needed a refreshing.
So if we decide we don't like these ones, I think we should just get fancier white ones.
You're busy.
What?
You busy, girl.
Just trying to make this place a home. Is that right, Morty?
You need to get rid of him then.
Uh.
What?
I tried so hard to make Morty fat this week. And Lily.
She gummed up the works, huh?
I think, Morty fat is like a quarter pound added to him. I just want a little meat on his bones.
That's not a bad idea.
But this little girl, I think, got the meat.
Miss Crunch and Munch?
Lily, thoughts?
I haven't a clue what you're talking about.
She's not even looking at me. Alright guys, well, we are going to watch 2020. We've been watching 2020 together for years. How many years do you think since we got together?
Circa forever.
Looks like we have an entanglement here on tonight's. It's called A Tangled Web. So, we'll see what they got popping. I love how serious you are about this. You got a chair out, y'all.
Hell yeah. Don't you forget it.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
Jared is
Slipping in there.
adding some lights to the fireplace now.
Jared said, let there be light. And there was.
I wonder, usually we take our Christmas stuff down like the day after Christmas. I wonder how long we'll leave it up this year.
It's not coming down until next year.
I'll just leave it up for the full 2021. Well, you
need it.
remember during the shutdown, like in June, people were putting their Christmas tree back up and Hallmark put the Christmas movies. Well, I think that was more so of Christmas in July. But, like, we're not sure what 2021 has to give. So maybe,
That's right.
maybe we just keep it all.
Messed up year, man.
We did get this ornament 2021, but they have some that are like toilet paper and stuff, so I think it would be fun to go get one of those. But all right, Jared's about to try the Aldi. How do you say it?
Aldi. Yeah.
I think I say Aldi too.
Y'all, they got stuff printed on these things. Treat your elf. And oh, sweet.
Part of the projector's on your neck, so it looks like you have a neck tattoo.
You know. Yeah, that's a sugar cookie. A sugar cookie.
Okay, so you guys know I'm gluten-free, but sometimes I just like punishing myself. So I had one.
Very seldom.
Yeah, I just couldn't resist, and it literally tastes like those sugar cookies from the grocery store. Don't you think? Like, you get like a 12-pack of them or whatever.
Yep. Yeah, I actually had some at my mom's.
Did you?
Oh, yeah.
So they don't really taste like Pop-Tarts, I don't think. I think they just taste like a sugar
That's
cookie. Oh, we're working with you.
Yeah, I don't even get Pop-Tart from it. I get sugar cookie.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Thanks for watching. This is Christmas 2020.
Woo!
We love you.
Jared says subscribe if you're new.
Yeah. Like, what do they say? Smash that button. Smash that.
Smash it.
Smash.
It's
Smush
so
it.
like aggressive.
Yeah. Freaking smash that button.
Y'all, Jared just told me like 2 weeks ago I started subscribing to people on YouTube.
I had no idea. I'm still trying to figure out, like, how do I watch their movies?
Their movies.
Oh, God. I'm so YouTube everything illiterate.
All right, bye, guys. Jared, we'll talk to you later. He's
Oh, yeah,
busy.
bye.